Let's see how to print with a custom size scale. So to do this, you will go here to Layout, Page Setup Manager, and in here you can either do a new setup or just modify the current one. In this case, I will create a new one. I will give it a name. In this case, setup 1 is okay. And here I have to choose my printer. In this case, I recommend PDF high quality print. And here I can see all the options that I have. But if I don't find the one that I want, then this tutorial is for you. So you will go to Properties, and in here you will choose Custom Paper Sizes. You will choose there, and obviously you won't see any one of these custom paper sizes created since you are watching this tutorial. And you will click Add to add a new one. You will start from scratch, so that is okay. Click Next, and here you will give your custom size. So in this case, I will choose 700, 500 with millimeters, and I will click Next. And here I have to give it a custom paper size printable area, which is the safe area that I want to give to my blueprint. So I will choose 13. In this case, is okay. We'll click OK. And here I can give it a name. So in this case, that is fine. I can give it another name to the file name of this custom paper size. So I will name it custom 1. Click Next and finish. With that, I can click OK and OK again. So I click out of here and close. So now if I do Ctrl P, I will see that if I choose my printer, the same printer that I did the last time, I will find my custom size at the beginning or at the end. So there you see user 1, that is the one that I created. And now I can print my custom paper size blueprint.
Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know